Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into an extraordinary experience that blends art, science, and technology, Da Vinci Genius. Before entering the main exhibition space, we participated in a pre-show segment that outlined Da Vinci's life and contributions. Da Vinci Genius exhibition has made its grand debut in Mumbai, bringing a globally acclaimed immersive experience that has captivated audiences in major cities across Europe. This innovative art show offers a unique opportunity for Indian audiences to delve into the life and works of Leonardo da Vinci, one of history's most celebrated geniuses. The exhibition is not just an art show, it's a groundbreaking interactive experience that combines art, science, and technology. The event features floor-to-ceiling projections of Da Vinci's masterpieces. Each section of the exhibition is accompanied by captivating narratives that provide context about Da Vinci's life and contributions. The storytelling is enhanced by a dynamic soundscape curated by Grammy Award-nominated DJ Sasha, creating an atmosphere that draws visitors deeper into the Renaissance world. As guests move through the space, they can activate animations that bring the artworks to life. The exhibition also highlighted Da Vinci's architectural concepts through animated projections that illustrated his visionary ideas. Watching these designs come to life filled us with awe at his ability to blend art with functionality. This hands-on approach helps demystify his scientific genius. Visitors can interact with AI versions of Da Vinci's most famous character, the Mona Lisa. By scanning a QR code, guests can send text messages to the painting and receive personalized responses. Using advanced projection technology, every detail of the Last Supper is illuminated, showcasing the intricate expressions and emotions of each disciple. This dynamic presentation enhances the emotional impact of the scene, making it more tangible than simply viewing static image. One of the standout features is an interactive floor that simulates a flight experience in one of Da Vinci's flying machines. This segment allows visitors to feel as if they are soaring through the sky, providing a thrilling perspective. Throughout the exhibition, there are various learning stations equipped with screens that provide educational games related to Da Vinci's life and works. These stations allow visitors to test their knowledge about Da Vinci's inventions, artworks, and historical context. It makes learning engaging and fun, encouraging guests to explore more about his genius. Or hands, guests can influence animations or visuals on screens, creating dynamic interaction that connects them directly with Da Vinci's artistic legacy. This section is enhanced with multimedia presentations that include animations and visual aids illustrating each zodiac sign's characteristics alongside corresponding apostles. Visitors can explore this section through interactive displays that allow them to identify which apostle corresponds to their own zodiac sign. By engaging with touchscreens or augmented reality features, guests can learn about the traits associated with each sign and how they relate to the apostles' actions in the painting. The circle represents the divine and the infinite, while the squares symbolize the earthly and the finite. By inscribing the human figure within these shapes, Da Vinci conveys the belief that humanity is a microcosm of the universe, embodying both spiritual and physical dimensions. The Vitruvian Man features a nude male figure positioned in two overlapping stances, one with arms and legs spread wide, touching the circumference of a circle, and another with arms outstretched horizontally while feet are together, fitting within square. This dual positioning illustrates multiple phases of movement and emphasizes symmetry and proportion. Projections in Da Vinci Genius exhibition is not merely a structural element. It is a powerful symbol of Da Vinci's legacy that intertwines geometry, art, and interaction. By engaging visitors through multimedia experiences and encouraging personal involvement in the artistic process, it fosters a deeper appreciation for Leonardo da Vinci's genius while making his work accessible and relevant to contemporary audiences. This innovative approach transforms how we understand art and invites us to explore our own creativity within the framework established by one of history's greatest minds. As we embrace this unique opportunity to explore Leonardo da Vinci's brilliance in Mumbai, the Da Vinci Genius exhibition stands as testament to the power of art and innovation. It invites us all to rediscover the genius of one of history's greatest minds while enjoying an unforgettable cultural experience right in our own city. Whether you're an avid art lover or simply curious about Da Vinci's legacy, this exhibition is not to be missed.